Hi everyone, I'm Julie with Bizhaven, and a question that we get often is what is an employee handbook and how do you create one? Well, first off, an employee handbook is a manual given to employees so they can review and understand the policies of the company. Some policies that employers will want to make sure that they highlight in their employee handbook are wages and timekeeping, benefits that are offered by the company, sexual harassment prevention policies, the dress code that's expected of employees, and the safety policy. Now that's just an overview of some policies, but there is a long list of others that should be included. Now, how can employers get an employee handbook created for their company? Well, employee handbooks are usually created by HR professionals or attorneys. Luckily for you guys, Bizhaven has employee handbooks custom made for our clients, and it's all included in our monthly service. If you're looking to get an employee handbook implemented for your company, give us a call. We're happy to help.